Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching new video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, and details of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of reviews is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. But category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. And offers are available online for this hotel along with various payment and payment policies. Online to book it, you can also use the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotels. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.